In this quick video, we'll learn how you can easily resize images in Canva on your laptop or PC. I'm going to show you two different solutions, but you have to keep in mind that this works for Canva Pro users. If you're not subscribed to Canva Pro, this will not work for you. And without wasting your time, let's start right away. The first thing that we will do is to open the Canva website in our web browser, and then open the design that you want to resize. I'm going to resize this YouTube thumbnail that I have. And the first method is to click on this magic switch option, and then select the custom size option. That's going to open this menu where we can enter a custom resolution for our image in Canva. Mine is set to 1920 by 1080, but I'll enter a 4K resolution because I want my photo in high quality. And another way that we can resize an image is before we download our design. So go through the steps of downloading your Canva design, then select the format of your image. You'll see this little size slider, which is going to allow us to select a resolution in which we want to download our Canva image. You can set this to a higher or lower resolution. When you drag the slider, your design size will be changed, and you can simply download it and enjoy. And that's about it for this video. I have more Canva tutorials on the channel, so make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.